babies. It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell somebody's mama, because we are Lady over here. And in today's video, wait, hold on, because if I ain't gonna do it right, then I ain't gonna do it at all. Well, hold up. Now that's better. So what's up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And y'all had to get into like a little character, you know. So y'all, as y'all know, it's Vlogtober, October, Halloween, all of that. It's a combination of a mixture. And I just felt I would, you know, come up in here. So without further ado, y'all, because I've been waiting to wear this black lipstick for forever. I really have been. And so yes, in today's video I will be doing an unboxing part 1. And let's get into it. I'm excited. So y'all probably was wondering, what was that tall box that would always be, you know, always be right up here, right here. And y'all, it's a box. It's a box. It's a box. It's a box. So I'm gonna try to scoot back, but it's probably gonna be hard for me to like open this box. So we're gonna open it. We're gonna open it. Hold on, y'all. So I'm gonna be gentle. And I will try to link everything down below. But this just is one item for this. Let me just be quiet. Let's unbox it. Okay. There, because I really wanted to get my address up here. So now we can unbox it. We can unbox it. And y'all know I love scary movies. I love Halloween movies. I love all of that stuff. And one of my favorite movies outside of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre is the one and only. The one and only. Why am I changing my accent? I don't know. The one and only Child's Play. I love Child's Play. So I just felt like I needed to get this doll. Hold on, y'all. It's taped at the bottom. So I'm kind of like in character. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And y'all, can we get into this? Hold on, hold on, I got lipstick on me. Okay, let's fix her up. And if you don't know, this is the infamous Tiffany from The Bride of Chucky. And we both are wearing veils, and it's not our wedding day. So y'all, I thought this was cute. I did purchase this off of Amazon, but this is saying that it's a Chucky Spencer doll. So from like the store, the Spencers. You know, like Spencer's Hot Topic, that Spencer's. But yeah, I did purchase this, and I thought it was so stinking cute. I would definitely link this down below. This is the Tiffany doll, so let's get into it. She has her white veil. The only thing I noticed that didn't come with this doll is her infamous biker jacket, but that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. But she does have her combat boots. She has her wedding dress, also has Chucky's name tattooed right there. And her dress, hold on, because it seemed like her dress is, there we go. And she has her nails, her black nails, long nails. And I thought this was so cute. And she does have her little fishnet stockings underneath her wedding dress like she did in the movie. Once again, the only thing that's missing is the biker jacket, but I can always go on Amazon and probably buy like a biker jacket for either like an infant, a child, or a doll if they have them on here. She does have her blonde hair. Just gonna keep this like this because it's so pretty. And is, hold on, y'all, hold on, because they got her dress up crazy in the back. So yes, I thought this was so cute. Okay, there we go. And her little lashes. And y'all, I just thought this was so cute. This is definitely like a collector's item for me because I love the Chucky movie. Love it, love it, love it. So I definitely had to invest in this, and I thought it was so cute. With her boots, they're not actually like tied up boots. They're just like made like that. So I don't know if you can, no, you can't take these off. These are like connected. But they do look like they can maneuver so you can, you know, stand her up and stuff like that. I want to say, how tall is this doll? It doesn't say, but y'all know I'm going to link it. And it came in, hold on. Hold on, sister girl. Don't fall, girl. Hold on, because I got stuff on this table. Okay. Hold on, because I want to see if it stands by itself. Or I might have to get, okay. So it does stand by itself. Or then I might have to get like a doll stand. Yeah, so it doesn't say anything. It just says that it's new. It only came in this. Yeah. Y'all, I thought this was so cute. It stands. Hold on. Y'all, let me stop trying to stand it up. I'm not trying to break it. But yeah, y'all, this is my Tiffany doll. And I thought it would, you know, go so cute with the, you know, October vibes. And I thought I would do a little something, you know. Let me see, what is some things that she says in the movie? Eat your heart out, Barbie. What's another one? I don't know, you know, she's always smoking her cigarette. She was hitting on her next door neighbor because, you know, she stayed in a trailer. Eat your heart out, Barbie. I thought this was so cute, and hopefully if you guys enjoy stuff like this, maybe you can purchase it. It should be still available because I think you can either purchase it off of Spencer's, Hot Topic, and Amazon. But I'm just going to download. I'm just going to link down below what I purchased off of Amazon, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. See ya.